Born in 1864 in India, raised in Edinburgh, she could have lived a quiet life. But instead, she would change the world. This is the story of Elsie Inglis, surgeon, suffragist, and the woman who defied war, prejudice, and expectation. When women were still fighting for their right to be heard, Elsie trained to be a doctor. In 1892, she qualified as a licentiate of the 3 Scottish Royal Medical Colleges, rare for a woman of her time. Back in Edinburgh, she opened a maternity hospital for poor women, sometimes waiving fees, sometimes even paying for seaside recuperation for mothers and babies in need. Her compassion and skill earned her respect, but the status quo did not. Elsie believed medical care and women's rights were inseparable. She became a powerful voice for suffrage, helping found the national movement for women's voting rights in Scotland. But she had even greater battles ahead. When World War I broke out, Elsie offered her services to Britain's war effort, but she was dismissed with a shocking reply: "My good lady, go home and sit still." Refusing to accept defeat, she turned to allies and founded the Scottish Women's Hospitals for Foreign Service, SWH. From 1914 onward, Elsie led female-staffed medical units into the heart of war. In France, Serbia, Russia, Corsica, wherever they were needed. Her hospitals treated thousands of wounded soldiers and villagers caught in the horrors of conflict. In 1916, Serbia honored her as the first woman to receive the prestigious Order of the White Eagle, their way of saying a nation would never forget. Even when illness struck, Elsie was fighting cancer. She continued leading her medical teams. She refused to leave her patients, shunning comfort and fame. On the 26th of November 1917, just hours after returning from the front, she died in Newcastle. She was only 53. Today, Edinburgh honors her memory. A statue is planned on the Royal Mile, a place crowded with men's memorials. For once, the city will salute a woman who refused to be silent. Her legacy lives on in women's medicine, in battles for equality, and in every life saved because a woman decided to take a stand. If Elsie Inglis's courage, sacrifice, and vision moved, you share this video. Spread her story. Follow now for more hidden heroes, untold stories, and history worth remembering.